I have been traveling from north to south part of Portugal for quite some time now. I have started from northern city called Porto, and now I am in the very south of the country. This is where I am going to complete my journey to Portugal for this time. This beautiful country gave me an amazing experience that is going to last forever in my heart. I have few hours left in Lagos, but hey, let me show you this incredible cliffs in Lagos. Here, in this very edge of Portugal, the feeling of standing on these spectacular cliffs and watching horizon is so joyful and breathtaking that I cannot describe it in words. A moment like this is what I always seek, because this is the best part of traveling. These cliffs are very scary, to be honest. Right now I'm standing on top of the cliffs in Lagos. It's located in Algarve region in Portugal. This place is mostly famous for beaches. It's party life and lots of bars and restaurants, especially in the summertime. This is winter time, but I would say the temperature is perfect, still perfect. It's like a summer to me. Look at me, I'm wearing just one sweatshirt. In this town, population is very small, but when it comes to summer, seasonal residents and the tourists flood in here, and the population goes exponentially higher. I heard this place is really happening during the summertime. According to TripAdvisor in 2012, this town is considered as the #1 hotspot in the world for tourism. So you could guess how happening it could be during the summertime. So today I'm gonna talk about what do I like about traveling. Number one is perception is misleading. Most of the time what happens is when you don't go to some places, you just hear from some other sources that could be completely misleading. In my case, most of the time, if I hear something bad about that place, instead you find lots of good things about the place. Second thing is you are never right or wrong. What I mean is, wherever you are grown up, you might be living lifestyle in your way, according to your society. But whenever you go to new places or new country, you find out they have their own lifestyle. And I am not saying that they are wrong or you are wrong either. What I'm saying is, when I go there and then try to live lifestyle in their way, that is more fun. That is more exciting part. That is something I like the most. And you become a person who is ready to learn constantly. And that leads to my third point. You break your comfort zone. When it comes to learning something new in the life, you know that we have to break our comfort zone. We have to increase our limit. We have to make our limit higher so that you can learn better thing in life. And when it comes to traveling, you are scheduling, you are being disciplined, you are trying to cope up with the time, you are regularly following the discipline. That's how you become a good learner, by breaking the comfort zone. And my fourth point is you open up with the world. What I mean is when you travel to new places, you open up your heart to the world. You are able to talk to the new people. You are able to adjust in a new life. This is a way of building a confidence. This is how you learn how to talk with the people. This is how you learn how to adjust in any kind of situations that you got. That kind of a quality really helps to build your confidence in your personal life as well, and that quality top up to the next level when you are traveling solo. And my final point is you become completely independent, and this quality comes to you when you are traveling, especially solo. So when you are traveling, you become super disciplined, you become very punctual, you start following the time, you are ready to learn, you are adjusting any kind of environment, and you can handle pressure very well. So this kind of a quality makes you really independent, and this kind of quality is really useful for entrepreneurs, and especially if you want to be successful and happy in life. That is only possible if you travel solo. That's the reasons why I travel solo, because I want to be completely independent. So these are the things that I like the most about the traveling alone. I know most of you do not have a similar passion like me traveling alone, because it costs money and time, but I would say that investment come back to you as a personal skills. I think that is something you really need in life, because that skills will help you forever in your life. That's it for today, guys. Until the next one, have a great day and start traveling. Now I'm heading back to the station to get the train back to Lisbon.